The KitchenAid Classic Series 4. 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer stands out from the competition with its durable all-metal construction and 59 mixing touch points, allowing for thorough results. This mixer can handle up to 8 dozen cookies in a single batch and features a tilt-head design for easy access. With 10 speeds and compatibility with over 10 optional attachments, it's a versatile addition to any home bakery. But what really sets it apart is its ability to provide consistent results, even with heavy mixing loads. As a home baker, having the right tools can make all the difference in the quality of your final products. A stand mixer is an essential appliance for any serious baker, but with so many options available, it can be difficult to choose the best one for your needs. In this review, we'll be looking at the top 5 stand mixers for home bakers, taking into account factors such as durability, performance, and price. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this review will help you find the perfect stand mixer for your baking needs. We've considered a range of mixers, from budget-friendly options to high-end models, to ensure that there's something for everyone. By the end of this review, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make an informed decision and find the perfect stand mixer for your home bakery. The Bosch Universal Plus Stand Mixer is a high-end model that's designed for heavy-duty use. With a 500-watt motor and a 5-quart bowl, it can handle up to 14 loaves of dough or 34 dozen cookies in one batch. The belt-driven transmission and bottom drive design make it easy to clean and maintain, and the removable drive shaft is a convenient feature. One of the standout features of this mixer is its dual beaters, which provide triple whipping action for tasks from single egg whites to 10 pounds of potatoes. However, some users have reported that the plastic whip drive can break, and the noise level runs higher than expected for a few users. Despite this, the Bosch Universal Plus is a reliable and durable mixer that's perfect for serious bakers. It's available for $499.00, which is a significant investment, but the quality and performance of this mixer make it well worth the price. Overall, the Bosch Universal Plus is a great option for those who need a high-capacity mixer that can handle heavy-duty use. The NutriMill Artiste Kitchen Electric Stand Mixer is a budget-friendly option that's perfect for home bakers who need a reliable and durable mixer. With a 500-watt motor and a 5-quart bowl, it can handle up to 8 pounds of dough in a single batch. The bottom drive motor design avoids the tilt-head wobble/burnout issues common in that category, and the suction cup feet help keep the mixer stable during heavy dough batches. One dedicated bread baker reports reaching full window pane gluten development in under 10 minutes, which is a testament to the mixer's performance. However, some users have reported that the durability is a concern, with a handful of customers reporting that it breaks after limited use. Despite this, the NutriMill Artiste is a great option for those who need a reliable and affordable mixer. It's available for $229.00, which is a great price for the quality and performance of this mixer. Overall, the NutriMill Artiste is a great choice for home bakers who need a budget-friendly mixer that can handle heavy-duty use. The Hamilton Beach Professional All-Metal 5QT Stand Mixer is a mid-range option that's perfect for home bakers who need a reliable and durable mixer. With a 450-watt motor and a 5-quart bowl, it can handle up to 8 dozen cookies in a single batch. The planetary mixing action provides complete bowl coverage, and the attachment hub is compatible with pasta, meat grinder, and slicer attachments. One reviewer switched from considering KitchenAid due to mixed reviews and reports being satisfied with the Hamilton Beach mixer. However, some users have reported that the unit stability is a concern, with some reporting that it doesn't stay firmly in place during heavy mixing. Despite this, the Hamilton Beach Professional is a great option for those who need a reliable and affordable mixer. It's available for $279.99, which is a great price for the quality and performance of this mixer. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Professional is a great choice for home bakers who need a mid-range mixer that can handle heavy-duty use. The Cuisinart SM50BLU Precision Master 5-quart stand mixer is a high-end option that's perfect for serious bakers. With a 500-watt motor and a 5-quart bowl, it can handle up to 12 dozen cookies in a single batch. The die-cast metal construction and 12 speeds provide a high level of precision and control, and the attachment hub is compatible with pasta extruder, ice cream maker, meat grinder, and spiralizer attachments. One reviewer with baking experience notes that it performs comparably to KitchenAid at a lower price, which is a great value. However, some users have reported that the stir paddle doesn't fully reach the bottom of the bowl, which can be a problem for some recipes. Despite this, The Cuisinart SM50BLU is a great option for those who need a high-end mixer that can handle heavy-duty use. It's available for $299.95, which is a great price for the quality and performance of this mixer. Overall, the Cuisinart SM50BLU is a great choice for serious bakers who need a high-end mixer that can handle heavy-duty use. The KitchenAid Classic Series 4 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer is our top pick for the best stand mixer for baking. With a durable all-metal construction and 59 mixing touch points, it provides thorough results and can handle up to 8 dozen cookies in a single batch. The tilt-head design gives easy access for adding ingredients, and the 10 speeds provide a high level of precision and control. The mixer is also compatible with over 10 optional attachments, including pasta, ice cream, and meat grinder attachments. However, some users have reported that the durability is a concern, with some finding it lighter duty than larger KitchenAid models. Despite this, the KitchenAid Classic Series is a great option for those who need a reliable and durable mixer. It's available for $399.95, which is a significant investment, but the quality and performance of this mixer make it well worth the price. You can find more information about this mixer, including the current price and customer reviews, by checking the link in the description below. In conclusion, the KitchenAid Classic Series 4 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer is our top pick for the best stand mixer for baking. With its durable all-metal construction, 59 mixing touch points, and 10 speeds, it provides thorough results and can handle heavy-duty use. Remember to check the links below for the current prices and customer reviews, as prices can change over time. By choosing the right stand mixer for your baking needs, you'll be able to create delicious treats with ease and